So spy cameras are getting smaller and smaller, and they're just not for private investigators or the Secret Service. You can get your hands on one too. This is a 1080p Full HD 20-hour battery Wi-Fi wireless spy camera that you can get for yourself and place this anywhere. As you can see right here, this is the camera, and this thing is super tiny. You can put this on a window frame, a picture frame, just maybe some kind of artwork you have on the wall, on the TV, behind the TV, maybe inside of a plant, whatever. It's really up to your imagination where you can set this up. And we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of this spy camera. First of all, the spy camera comes in two parts. You have the battery right here that you can charge with this included USB cable. And you also have this USB dongle here where you can slide the memory card in and put this into your computer using USB. As far as the actual camera itself, you have, of course, the battery adapter right here, and of course the antenna. And when we look closer on the box, you have a reset button so you can reset the Wi-Fi. You've got your memory card holder right there. Now keep in mind, this does not come with the memory card. I have to find a memory card and get it in there. Doesn't come with a memory card, so just keep that in mind. You've got your power button as well, and also a microphone, so you can also pick up audio when you're checking out your spy cam. Yeah, and of course the reset button, like I just said before. Oh, and of course you have your charging port to charge this. Now I did say that it can do 20, the battery is 20 hours, but if you have your battery plugged into here and also a USB power source, you're going consistent. It's just not 20 hours. If you have this to a constant power source connected through the USB, you're going more than 20 hours. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's connect this right here. All right, and let me give you a test of what this the video quality of this webcam. Now, with the manual, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna go and download the software right here. You're gonna do some real quick connection. It'll probably take you about like 5 minutes to actually connect to the app. If you're doing it for the first time, if you're doing it for like a second time, 2 minutes tops. It's super simple. You're going to connect the camera directly to the phone. Once you're connected directly to the phone, then you can make that link. You can then transfer over to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so let's take a look. And let's see. Okay, and here is your first look at the camera. So if you want to check out the video quality of the camera, we're doing it right here. I've got my hand here. Let me actually show you so you can do like a video comparison quality of it. There you go. Oh, actually, let me flip it over. Give you a widescreen. So yeah, there you go. And of course I can just bring this around my office. Now, of course, the image is going to look better if it's actually still. Yeah. But as far as like, if you're wondering what the quality looks like, it's actually pretty good, especially for a spy cam. Let me do this for you. Let me set this up right in front of me here so you can have like a side-by-side comparison. I'm going to take this double-sided tape. I'm going to put on one end right here, and I'm going to put it up in front of here. And you can get a comparison of it for yourself. Now, looking at the image, I think the image looks good. Of course, it looks like it has some light sensitivity issues. It's just a spy cam. Don't think too much about it, but yeah, as far as the comparison, it does look pretty good. Now, let's take a look at the actual app. You've got playback, events, you can share this, and you can also do more. We have more selections where you can go into your camera settings. You can, of course, share the device. Multiple people can connect to the same camera. You can set alerts such as detection alarm, motion detection. You can set a schedule, sensitivity. You can set a siren as well. You can actually get, if you need, you can buy additional cloud storage. You can format the SD card if need be. You can schedule a recording just in case. And of course, you have other additional options as well. Network setting, time, and things like that. You can even go to the events. You can check out previous recordings that were done. That's actually on there. And of course, you have your own profile page as well. And of course, going back here, you can take a picture. You can start recording. You can actually turn the volume on. And actually, I can actually speak out from the camera by talking right here. I am speaking right here, and it actually comes out from the microphone right there. And keep in mind, since this is wireless and you do get 20 hours, you can place this in various rooms in the house. You can put this in your backyard, maybe down the hall, maybe on the side of the house, maybe looking at the front door, maybe in your garage, wherever you feel like you may need a spy cam to either maybe secure the area of your home, or just, maybe you're looking for like a squirrel or something that keeps on, nibbling something or knocking something over in the backyard. You got the long battery life. You can get consistent power by connecting USB cord and connecting it to that. And also you have the flexibility with the ribbon of the camera to kind of maneuver and place this wherever you need without it being too revealing and also not getting in the way as well. Okay, that's your look at this 20-hour Wi-Fi SPYCAM. Really hope this helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own cool SPYCAM. Also, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos coming out as well. Maybe some more SPYCAM videos. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.